Hi families! Today I'm going to be showing you an activity that you can do with your students to practice addition. So what you'll need from this activity is a blank sheet of scratch paper, maybe the back side's blank, something like that. Some colored pencils, pens, markers, crayons, whatever you have at home. And either 2 dice, or what I've done is I just did some pieces of paper with numbers on them and made number cards and put them in this cup. So how you play this activity is either you or your child will draw on the back of this scratch paper a pizza. So it should probably have at least 8 slices, but either you can draw it or your child can draw it, whatever works best for you. And you're gonna wanna number each slice. Now, you can do anything probably from 0 to 20, higher if you wanted to, but you don't need to go that high. You can do random numbers, you can do number order. I did even numbers for mine, and I drew some toppings on there as well. It's important that you're drawing with either a pencil or a black pen or marker, something that's going to be plain because we're going to color this. So what you'll do is you'll grab your student and you'll tell them that we are going to be practicing some math by playing a pizza game. Or you can tell them we're going to be coloring a pizza together, and you don't even have to mention the math. Whatever works best for you is important. So you'll get your student, you decide who's going to go first, and you'll either roll your 2 dice or draw 2 of your number cards. So I'm going to draw 2 of my number cards here. Let's see. There we go. So I have 2 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these 2 together. Now, there's a couple different ways that we practice this in first grade, but what is important is we always start with the bigger number when we're adding. So I'm going to start at 4, and the way I'm going to add it, and the way that your student should know to add it, is I'm going to put 4 in my head because 4 is the bigger number. So I say 4, and then I count on with the smaller number. So 4 in my head, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And now that I know that, I'm going to go to my pizza. I'm going to find 6, and I can color that in. You can have them color the whole pizza, just the toppings, whatever works best for you, and whatever's going to keep your kid most engaged. And now I'm going to go to the next person, and it's the next person's turn. You can play this in partners with your whole family, however works best for you. And if you want to make it a game, a competition, you can do that as well. You'll just do tally marks at the bottom, like this. Or if you want it to be even more advanced, you can keep track of the actual number that you get. So I would write 6 at the bottom, and then the next number I got, I would add. So I'd say plus, say I got 4, plus all the slices that I get, and then the winner is just whoever has the bigger number added together at the end. Now, another strategy your student might do is they might want to use a number line to help them add. And this is pretty simple too. So say I had 2 and 4 still. Once again, we're starting with the bigger number. So I'm placing my finger on the 4, and I'm gonna take 2 hops because that's my other number too. So 4, 1, 2 hops, and that leaves my finger on 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you can just draw a simple number line like this for your student, and it can go however far you want it to go. And if they need to use a different colored crayon or pen each time to help them keep track of where they're at, they're more than welcome to do that as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. But this is a really simple way to help your kid get better at math and just keep working on addition.